atomic structure and hydrogen spectrum, alpha particle scattering experiment. According to Rutherford's hypothesis, the consisting of every material is a combination of tiny particles which are known as atoms. On the basis of alpha scattering, Rutherford determined the radius of the nucleus of an atom are equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 27 e square upon k, where z atomic number, k kinetic energy of an alpha particle, because force between alpha particles and nucleus is given by F equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 2e bracket ze upon r square, and kinetic energy of alpha particle can be given as k equal to eb equal to 1 by 2 mb square, where e charge on electron, m mass of an alpha particle, b velocity, small b velocity, and capital B potential difference. The number of alpha particles scattering at an angle n is proportional to 1 upon sine raised to power 4 theta by 2. The relation between scattered particle and n atomic number z, n is proportional to z square, or n1 upon n2 equal to z1 upon z2. Rutherford's model of an atom. The essential features of Rutherford's nuclear mode of the atom, or the plain T model of the atom, are as follows. Every atom consists of a central core called the atomic nucleus. The size of the nucleus is very small, 10 raised to power minus 15 meter, as compared to the size of the atom, 10 raised to power minus 10 meter. The total negative charge of the electron surrounding the nucleus is equal to the total positive charge on the nucleus. These electrons revolve around the nucleus in various circular orbits as the planets do around the sun. Distance of the closest approach r0, it is the distance from the nucleus where whole of the kinetic energy of alpha particle get converted into electrostatic potential energy, and alpha particles can not go there further close to the nucleus. K of alpha particle electrostatic potential energy r0 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 to ze square upon 1 upon 2 mb square. Total energy of the electron equal to E square upon 8 pi epsilon 0 R. Bohr's atomic model, on account of 3 assumptions for successfully experiment hydrogen atom. Bohr's 3 postulates are as follows. First, Bohr's first postulate: each atom exists in definite states, state, and each positive state has definite total energy known as the stationary states of the atom. Bohr's second postulate: for any permitted stationary orbit, the angular momentum L of the orbital electron is quantized. L equal to mvr equal to nh upon 2 pi, where n any positive integer 1 2 3, h equal to 6.63 multiply 10 raised to power minus 34 Planck constant. Angular momentum of the electron equal to mvr equal to r 2 pi r equal to nh upon mv, or circumference s equal to n lambda. Bohr's third postulate: the frequency of the emitted photon during the transition of an electron is given hv equal to E1 plus E, where E, I, E, F energies of the initial and final states, and E1 is greater than EF if the energy of the lower orbit E1 and energy of the higher orbit E2, then E2 minus E1 equal to HB equal to HC upon lambda, or B equal to E2 minus E1 upon H, where V is frequency of the emitted radius and lambda is the wavelength. The wavelength of emitted radius is given by the following expression: lambda equal to hb upon delta E, or lambda equal to 12375 upon delta E A, where delta E is the EB, or delta E equal to E2 minus E1. Bohr's orbital radius. Bohr's orbital radius are equal to epsilon 0 h square upon pi r z e square bracket n square, where r right verse constant me4 upon b epsilon 0 square nqc equal to 1.097 multiply 10 raised to power 7 per meter. H Planck's constant, c velocity of light in vacuum, and h equal to Planck principal quantum number. Structure of nucleus. Structure of nucleus. Rutherford's experimentally prove that the positive charge is concentrated at the center of the atom in a radius of 10 raised to power minus 15 meter. This central part is known as nucleus, in which the protons are situated inside the nucleus. The protons are bounded by nuclear force. The particles present in the nucleus are neutron and proton, are also known as the nucleus. The mass of the proton is 167 multiply 10 raised to power minus 27 kg. It is obtained by the following equation: 7n14 plus 2He4 equal to 8O17 plus 1H1. The nucleus of helium atom alpha particle has plus 2 electrons charge, while the total charge on helium atom is 0 and lithium radius has plus 3 electron charge. Electron, proton, neutron. Pi mesons plus minus proton are the fundamental particles. Size of nucleus, shape and density. The radius of the nucleus r equal to r0 a raised to power 1/3, where r0 constant 1.2 multiply 10 raised to power minus 15 meter. A equal to mass number. R is proportional to a raised to power 1/3. The radius of different nucleus are different. The radius of nucleus represented in the terms r equal to 1.2 a की power 1/3 Fermi, where 1 Fermi equal to 10 raised to power minus 15 meter. Generally, the shape of the nucleus is spherical. Some of the nucleus deviate from the spherical shape. This deviation is only 10%. Nuclear density. The density of all nucleus is approximately same. The value of this density is 2 multiply 10 raised to power 17 kg per meter cube. Mass number and atomic number of atom. The number of the electrons in the neutral atom is called atomic number. The number of the electron is equal to the number of protons, so number of proton is called the atomic number. Atomic number Z equal to number of electrons equal to number of protons. Mass number equal to number of proton plus number of electron. Atomic mass unit 1 AMU is represented by 12th part of the carbon atom. 6C12 1 AMU or 1 unit equal to 1.66 multiply 10 raised to power minus 27 kilogram equal to 931 MeV. Classification of nuclear nucleus are given below. Isoposes or isopoints. The atoms of a substance in which a number of proton atomic number are same but the number of neutrons are different, known as isotopes or isoprotonic, such as 17Cl35, 17Cl37, H1H, 1H1, 1H2, 1H3, 92U, 235, 92U, 338. The chemical properties of the isotopes are same. Isobars, the number nucleus in which the number of neutron is same but the number of proton are neutrons different and are known as isobars. The atomic number is different for the isobar but atomic mass is same for all the nucleus, such as 1s3 and 2s3, 6h14 and 7n14. Isoton or isoneutrons, the nucleus in which the number of neutrons is same are known as isotons or isoneutrons. The value of A minus Z is same for all the isoneutrons, such as 3Li7 and 4Be8, 11Na23 and 12Mg24. Nuclear force, the force acting inside the nucleus is known as the nuclear force. These forces are active between the proton, neutron, and neutron. The forces are such range forces. The radius nature of these forces is attractive and they are different. The electric force, these forces do not exist outside the nucleus. The nuclear force between a proton and neutron is due to exchange of the charged masses pi plus and pi minus between them. Semiconductors and junction diode. Energy band in the solid in a crystal due to interaction valence electrons of one atom are shared with the electrons of the more than one atom in the crystal. The splitting of energy level taking place, the collection of these closely spaced energy levels are called an energy band. These are two types of energy band in solid. Valence band is the energy band which includes the energy level of valence electrons. This band is never empty. The upper unfilled or partially filled band is called the conduction band. Conduction band is the energy band above the valence band. According temperature, this band is either empty or partially filled with the electrons. The lower completely filled band is called valence band. Note, there is a gap between valence band and conduction band in which these number of electrons present. It is called energy band gap or Torr-Vitton gap. Electrons can get energy from the external electron field and contribute to the electric current. Classification of the conduction, insulation and the semiconductors. The basis of energy band. Insulators. The valence band is completely filled. The conduction band is completely empty and energy gap is quite large between them. Electric conduction is not possible in this type of material. The energy gap is quite large. E is greater than 3 eV. That energy from any other source around overcome it. Conduction band, forbidden energy valence band. According to the diagram, these are given here. Conduction is the conductors either there is no energy gap between the conduction band which is partially filled with electron and valence band, or the conduction band valence band overlap each other. Semiconductors, in the semiconductors like insulators, the valence band is totally filled and the conduction band is empty, but energy gap between the conduction band and valence band are like irregular. The number is very small, such as a germanium and silicon. Germanium and silicon are 2. semiconductors at room temperature. The conduction band is partially filled and or forbidden gap is very small, of the order of 1 eV. Conduction band Eg equal to 0.07 eV gap. Valence band semiconductors. These are two types of semiconductors: intrinsic semiconductor, the semiconductor in which there is no impurity is mixed, called the intrinsic semiconductors. Germanium and silicon in the nature form are intrinsic semiconductor. The conductivity of intrinsic semiconductors is very small and practically they cannot be used as such. Impure or excess semiconductors, these semiconductors in which some impurity atoms are embedded are known as extrinsic semiconductors. Doping, the process of adding impurity of an intrinsic semiconductor in a controlled manner is known as doping. If a penetrated substances as antimony, bismuth, etc. are added of doped as impurity, then the resultant semiconductor is known as N-type semiconductor. In N-type semiconductor, electrons are majority charge carries and hole are minorly changed. If B doped Si silicon or germanium with trivalent impurity atoms such as aluminum, boron, etc. in very small quantity, then the resultant semiconductor is known as p-type semiconductor. In p-type, holes are the majority charge carries and electrons are the minority charge carriers. PN junction diode. A PN junction is an arrangement made by a close contact of N-type semiconductor and P-type semiconductor. N-type germanium crystal is cut into the silicon called the wafers in aluminum film is laid on N-type wafer. On heating, aluminum diffuses into the surface of wafer. In this way, a P-type semiconductor is formed on N-type semiconductor. Acceptors, ion, dipleer, layer, donor, ion, electrons, depletion layer, the region on either side of the junction which becomes deplete free from the mobile charge carriers is called the depletion region or depletion layer. The width of the depletion region is of order of 10 raised to power minus 6 meter. The potential difference developed across the depletion region is called the potential barrier. All the students are informed that the theory is given here. Now, from the Lord Krishna TMPS classes will be started the numericals which are explained you by proving these. Therefore, write the theory and learn the theory attentively, giving the very clearly write the definition of all the physics